Welcome all, this is Robert here with another Tech Geek 311 review, but this time what I want to do is I want to cover the mobile email that we have now. Used to be, in order for you to get your email, you had to go on your computer and log into one of your email accounts. Well, nowadays everyone seems to have their iPhones or smartphones or other kind of devices out there that's able to access the internet, either through Wi-Fi or through a network. And so nowadays we have all our email with us in the palm of our hands. So I don't want to cover all the email apps out there. There's thousands of them. I want to cover the few that I use, give you guys kind of a better idea of what's out there. So of course on here you can see that I have Apple's mail server. And you can see here it's got pretty much all the email in here. If you want to add an email, you can't do it from their mail app itself. All you got to do is go into their settings, scroll down to their mail and contacts, and hit add account. And you can tell they cover a wide array of email accounts. So you have plenty of email accounts you can add on here. So then that's one of the ones I use for my Gmail. Now I was using the Gmail app. So some people ask, well, if you use Gmail mostly, why don't you use the Gmail app? The Apple stock mail app seems to be one of the best that I can use for it. For one, I can access all my emails, not just a few. For two, I can sort them in folders without having to have that archive button always on top. So I never really use the archive button at all. So the stock mail app is what I use primarily for my Gmail instead of the Gmail app. So if you go into here, give you guys an example in case you haven't seen the Gmail app before. Let's go in here and I'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and type it in. So we'll put Gmail in here. This is the Gmail app I'm talking about. There's tons of Gmail apps out there, tons of apps that work with Gmail, but this one, I mean, I like its format, but if you notice on top that little arrow pointing down, that little box, that is for archive only. Well, archive only I never use. Some people use it. I don't. That's why I do not prefer this one. Also, moving stuff into folders is not so easy on this app. So I don't prefer this Gmail app. That's the one I don't use the most. Now, I also use Yahoo. And Yahoo has a lot of issues on other mail servers. I don't know why. But for some reason, their Yahoo Mail app, this one, seems to work perfectly for Yahoo. This one picks up all the emails no matter what. So you go in here under your account stuff and you can tell you can delete your spam right off the bat in one sweep. That's a given in that app, which is great. Stock mail app can't do that. None of the other ones can. Of course, you have all your folders down here, and you can also change the background on here. But what I like the most about this one, unlike just the mail itself, is on the bottom you have news down the center. So they give you all the Yahoo news. So that is a plus right there. You also have Yahoo Today. So you can search the web and check out what's going on Yahoo. So you have, let's go back to that. So you can see in here, of course, weather, market, digest, and whatever. You know, you've got a lot of stuff in here. It's got a lot of information. So I like that with the Yahoo map. And this one does work perfectly with Yahoo, unlike the other apps that are out there. Now I have this other app here which I'm currently beta testing, and I've done a review on it. So if you want to see that video on that, just check it in my description. Also, when you subscribe, you'll get all my new videos that come out, and then you'll be able to go and see my other previous videos as well. This one's called IQTell. This one, I'm currently beta testing this app. So this one here, of course, you can see how it picks up all the mail. Now on this one, of course, I still have it set up between my Gmail and my Yahoo. Alright, the thing is, since it is beta testing, you can tell I'm doing a lot of refreshing here because I have no email set up. It takes a little while to refresh it and to clear it out. So the thing is, on this one, it's got all the same thing. It's got the folders, it's got all the stuff in here as well. Everything else is the same. It's got its home page. Of course, you can set up to-dos and all that. So this one's a good one. It's great. It opens up emails fast. Its only downside is it does not notify you of your emails without having the app open. So you got to have this app open in the background. Maybe when the full version comes out after the beta testing, this one will be fixed. you want to see my full review on that one, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and you'll see. So if we go back in here, we're going to do a search now just on mail. Okay, so I want to just check out mail. Anything that has that little cloud, that means I've owned it before. But look in here and you can see there's 6,700 results of email apps in the App Store currently. That's a lot of apps for email. So email has definitely become very mobile these days. People want to be able to check their email, be able to read their email, respond to emails from wherever they are. So this mobile email has really expanded this time and day and age. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys just a little example, show you guys kind of what I'm using, show you what's out there, and you guys make your own choice. Figure out what features you need or want, and go for it. Like I said, if you're comfortable with the stock mail app from Apple, use it. I've used it many times before. It's had a couple of issues here and there, but it does work, and you never delete it. So it's actually one of the good ones. But if you need more features, you can see there's already 6,000 of them out there. And so give it a try. Alright, so hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like below. Of course, subscribe so you get more of my other videos. And don't forget to give me any comments if you have any questions. Also, check out my website. You can see all my other previous videos there. Check out my other links and all my other information that I have. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys later.